Hey guys, Leanne here on GradysMom. I am collaborating today with Yumbox. I have worked with them in the past and I've actually loved these boxes for going on about 3 years now. They are really great for kids of all ages, but they're also really good for adults. This is the Tapas Box and I actually use this size for myself a lot in the summer when my son is off school and we're out for the day. I actually have a dark blue one and this is the light gray, and I just got this one. I'm excited to show you guys it packed up. But if you're not familiar with Yumbox, they are a leak-proof kind of portable lunchbox. So they all have this silicone seal so they do not leak. I have done tons of liquidy or kind of wet foods in my Yum boxes. I have done things like hummus or yogurt or pudding and fruit, different dipping sauces, like I've done veggies with ranch and never had a problem with it leaking. The seal is really strong and they're actually really easy for kids to use as well, and the insert comes right out, so it's really easy to clean because this part comes right out. I have thrown mine in the dishwasher, but mostly, to be honest, I hand wash them. Hand washing is recommended for the actual shell because you want that seal to stay nice and tight, but I love these. This one again is the large one, which would be great for an older kid, or if you have multiple kids that are younger, you could fit a lot more in here. A sandwich would easily fit in here, and I use this bigger one again for myself in the summer when I go out with my son. And this is a size that I use most of the time for my son. He also has the green one as well. These are the two new ones we got for summer. He is going to be going to a summer camp. It's a half-day program for 6 weeks starting in July. So this is what I'll be packing him for that half-day camp. Again, it comes right out. Really love these two colors here, and I'm excited to use these all summer. And then I also wanted to show you the sleeve here. So this is an insulated, if you can see, and this one actually fits the big one in here perfectly. You could also fit a flat ice pack, and then it zips right up like this, and obviously you can fit the smaller one in there as well with an ice pack, or even the smaller one with an ice pack and like a juice box. But I absolutely love these. I'm gonna go ahead and show you them packed up. And also I wanted to mention, I have a discount code right now, 20% off on any regular priced item on the website, which is yumboxlunch.com. I will link below that website. And at checkout, again, you just enter GradysMom for 20% off any regular item. And also, if you get to the $75 mark, it is free shipping. I'm also doing a giveaway, so if you would like to enter that, I would love if you would comment down below and just tell me what you think you would use a Yum box for the most. Would you use it for your kid for back to school? Would you use it for summer? Would you use it for yourself? Because I do know many people use these, adults, for their own work lunch. So that's all you have to do to enter. Just comment below. This giveaway in particular is open to the US only because that is currently where Yumbox ships. So again, if you want to enter, just comment on this video and let me know what you would use it for. Would you use it, again, back to school? Would you use it for summer camp? Would you just use it in general year round? And the winner will be receiving any item of their choice from the Yumbox, yumboxlunch.com website. So you can kind of get a sneak peek now if you want and see what item you'd pick if you did win. Again, it's open in the US only. And I'm actually going to announce the winner for this giveaway on this video in the comment section. So I'm going to run it for about a week, and then if you do enter, you'll have to check back in a week, and I will pin the winner's information in the comment section below in this video. Rather than do a separate video, and then I will need the winner to contact me via email, send me your obviously mailing information with your contact name and also what item you would like to choose off of the Yumbox website. So good luck to everybody on that. I'm going to go ahead now and show you how I'm going to pack these up. actually for the day. My son actually has a half day of school today. This is his last week of school, so we are going to be heading out for a handful of hours after school to do some fun things. So I'm going to show you how I pack both of these up for us, and hope you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, so I have our boxes packed up. I'm actually going to be leaving my house in about an hour to go pick up my son from school, and we are directly going to leave from school and go to a playground with a public beach and have a picnic with some friends. So we actually plan on eating pretty much right away. Since my son has a half day, he won't be having lunch at school, so he'll be hungry. So I have my lunch packed up and my son's lunch packed up. So we plan on eating first and then kind of letting the kids play and kind of go in the water and dig in the sand and all that fun stuff. So first, my son's box. I have this will go in a separate little bag with some drinks. I have some bottled water and a juice box, and then I have my big water here, and then I'll bring an extra water. So I'm going to bring for my son this little blueberry yogurt pouch, and then in his actual Yumbox, I've got some turkey pepperoni, I've got some Ritz crackers, as well as some little cinnamon apple chips, which he just recently started to get into. My son is autistic, so he has a lot of sensory issues and texture issues. So I really constantly have to try new things, otherwise he'll just eat the same foods over and over. But he likes to make little pepperoni and cracker sandwiches. I threw, again, a few little apple chips in here, and then I threw a mozzarella cheese stick in here as well, and then I also have some cut up strawberries. I have a couple little sweet treats, a couple little Reese cups, and then in this one I have some vanilla pudding with a little bit of sprinkles on it. I notice when I put sprinkles on things, whether it's yogurt or pudding, he tends to devour it. So I have a little bit of pudding for him, and again, none of this stuff will leak. It's all separated, so nothing's going to touch, so this is not going to get anything soggy. And then once you close it and seal it, it is completely leak proof, and I love that. And then in my box here, the bigger box, I have the big portion here, which you can, like I said, fit a sandwich. I actually have some leftover pasta salad from the weekend, so I decided to just throw it in here. It's a nice big portion. It's perfect. And again, it won't get anything else soggy or touch anything, so none of the flavors will overlap. So I've got the pasta salad in here. I've got a couple little Reese cups for myself. I've got these delicious pickle chips. I actually stacked quite a few of them up in here. They're really, really good. I actually ate a few when I was packing this. So I have some nice pickle chips, and then I also have some Turkish apricots in here. These are really good. I get them at Trader Joe's, and then I threw some hazelnuts in here. I get a lot of like my nuts and dried fruits and stuff, like banana chips or mango chips from Trader Joe's. They just have the best deal. So kind of healthy, kind of naughty with the pasta, but it's just, I wanted something cold and refreshing that wasn't a sandwich or a wrap. Although I have done tossed salads in here. I've just put lettuce and put all my veggies, and then I've actually put my dressing in here. I've done wraps in here, sandwiches in here, you know, that kind of thing. Really, you can mix it up, which is the nice thing about these. You can have a variety of different things, and it just makes it really nice and fun. And I don't know, I like the whole concept of them. We've loved these, again, for about 3 years, since my son was 3 years old. And if you've never tried them, but you've been on the fence, now would be a great time to use that code to get 20% off. If you have multiple kids and you want to get one for each of your kids, chances are you can get to that $75 mark and get the free ship, which is always nice because I'm all about the free shipping. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and seeing how I'm using ours on a day out for about 4 hours. I've never had any problems with these leaking. They clean up really well. They hold up really well. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, guys, down below. And then in a week from today, I will pin the giveaway winner in the comments below. And then again, you'll just have to contact me and you can pick out your item. The website is yumboxlunch.com. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.